Ever wondered how chatbots, those friendly, sometimes quirky digital assistants that pop up on your favorite websites, really work? Well, they could be multi-role or single-role in nature. But what does that mean, and how does it affect your interaction with them? Picture this, a chatbot designed to answer all your questions about the weather. It's precise, well-informed, and can tell you if you need an umbrella for your afternoon walk. This is a single-role chatbot. It is designed for a specific purpose, honed to perfection for that one task. Beyond the weather, however, it might falter. Ask it about the stock market, and it will probably draw a blank. Now imagine a chatbot that can not only update you on the weather, but also help you order your favorite pizza, book a flight, or even tell you a joke when you're feeling down. This is a multi-role chatbot. It's a jack of all trades, capable of handling a plethora of tasks and engaging in diverse conversations. Single-role chatbots, like our weather guru, are specialists. They are created for specific tasks, such as providing customer support or answering questions on a particular topic. A chatbot at a bank, for instance, might be excellent at providing information about account balances and transactions. However, if you were to ask it about the process of applying for a loan, it might find itself at sea. Multi-role chatbots, on the other hand, are generalists. They can wear many hats and switch between roles as needed. They can help you with product information, assist you in placing orders, track your shipment, and even handle customer service inquiries. So, which one's the right fit for you? Well, it depends on what you need. If you're looking for a chatbot that excels at a specific task, single-role chatbots are your best bet. But if you need a chatbot that's versatile and can juggle multiple tasks, you'd want to go with a multi-role chatbot. For instance, the likes of Google Assistant, Amazon Alexa, Apple's Siri, and Microsoft's Cortana are multi-role chatbots. They are virtual assistants that can handle a wide range of tasks, making them a staple in many homes around the globe. On the other hand, chatbots that cater to customer support, help desks, frequently asked questions, or specific product queries are typically single-role chatbots. They are designed to provide specialized assistance in their respective areas. In conclusion, both multi-role and single-role chatbots have their place in the digital world. The former, with their versatility, are like Swiss Army knives, ready to tackle a range of tasks. The latter, with their specialization, are akin to a master craftsman's tool, perfect for a specific job. The choice between the two boils down to your unique needs. And with that, we've demystified the world of chatbots. Whether it's a single-role or multi-role chatbot, they're here to make our lives easier, one conversation at a time.